Welcome back, crew, to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down a beautiful Haulover Inlet here in Miami, Florida. Gonna be an interesting day. We've got a 3-foot stack sea with about an 18-mile-an-hour wind. Gonna be interesting to see how our captains fare as they step in the ring and do battle with the inlet. And this is going to bring us to the first round of our 5-round competition, where we're going to feature a yacht from NX Boats, their 290 model, stepping in the ring to attempt to do battle with Haulover. But let's get our gladiator in the ring and get this competition started. And here we go. Our crew looks solid. They've got this throttle nailed, looking to become the newest member of Team Full Send. It is a rough day. Our guy has the boat flying right above the waves, and man, do they look good. They actually made this look easy. And you're going to see as we go through this contest, it is not that easy of a day, but our crew, they're easily going to take a win for the boats here in the first round. And that's going to bring us to the second round of our competition, where the boats have claimed an early 1-0 lead. But don't worry, here in the second round, the boats are throwing a metal shark in the ring to see how it fares as it rolls up against Haulover. Haulover smacks them early. It's not quite a stuffing, but they are taking water over the bow. Again, this one will show you exactly how rough of a day it is, making that first round look just that much more impressive. In fact, our Border Patrol Metal Shark vessel, it appears, is gonna pull the Haulover U-turn. They've decided they don't want anything to do with the inlet when it's firing on a day like this, and they're gonna send themselves right back in, and unfortunately, this crew is gonna wind up taking a loss for the boats here in the second round. With the inlet taking the win in that round, that's going to move us to the third round of our competition, all knotted up at 1 apiece. But don't worry, the boats are throwing a cobia in the ring here in the third round. Very formidable boat. Let's see how it handles the inlet. Crew looks solid there, going at a decent pace. Just barely on plane, probably the right pace for this day. Cap's keeping the throttle up just enough to keep the bow up, let the boat try and do the work and work its way through the waves. Now, as he moves out into the rollers, he does wind up slowing down a little bit, but again, it's a rough day. He had to do that, and overall, I like the strategy. It's gonna pay off for him, and they're gonna take a win in this round. And here in the fourth round, the boats now have a 2-1 lead, and we're gonna have a Robalo stepping in the ring to try and see if it can close it out for the boats. But our crew's coming out a little bit slow, and they stuff it up front. They didn't even make it to any of the rougher waves. They wound up hitting a big wave right as soon as they enter the inlet, and wound up taking the massive stuffing. And for them to stuff it that big, that early, I can't imagine what this is going to look like as they continue to work their way out toward the bigger rollers that are just outside the mouth of Haulover. So our crew is leaning a little bit into the throttle here, trying to get that bow up. Maybe he learned his lesson from that first big wave he hit as he makes his way out. So far, he looks okay here at the end, but the reality is, it kind of doesn't matter. We only have a few rules here on Boats vs. Haulover, and rule number 1, if you wind up stuffing the bow, you take the automatic L. So really here, even though Captain looks okay at the end, the damage was done early. Let's go back and take a look at the replay on this one. Here we can see our Captain's coming out at an idle pace, which is just something you can't do when the waves are firing this big. You've got to have enough propulsion behind you to try and get that bow up, and he winds up paying the price and taking the loss. And that's going to force our 5th and final round. We're currently tied at 2 apiece. Who will take a win in this episode? Will it be the boats or Haulover? We're gonna find out right now as we have a safe boat stepping in the ring, another government boat trying to go at it. Let's see if they can show up the Border Patrol from earlier. This time we've got the FWC. Now they're already on a much better path. The Border Patrol boat was coming down the middle of the inlet, which is one of the worst strategies you can take, especially on a rough day. This crew decides to hug the north side and easily sneak out, taking a win, and the boats are going to take a win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.